What's up, YouTube? It's Mr. Clean, and welcome to the Pegasus 303 channel. This is a quick and easy tutorial to show you how to keep your older version of Pro Tools, in this case Pro Tools 10, when you upgrade to either 11 or 12. In this case, we're going to upgrade to Pro Tools 12. And one of the reasons you may want to do that is you may have older hardware that may not be compatible with 12, and you also might have RTAS or TDM plugins that will not work with 12, so that would be one reason. This is going to be on Yosemite. There is a way to get 10 to run on Sierra, but it's probably not really worth the hassle. So I actually have a separate Yosemite drive, which I have it installed on. So let's go ahead and go to our little shortcut I created. Let's go to the applications, the Avid folder. And here is our version of Pro Tools in the Pro Tools folder. And let's go ahead and rename this. So keep Pro Tools in the name. And I believe this is 10.3.10, or you can just call it 10. Doesn't matter, just keep that Pro Tools in the name. All right, so that is done. I'm going to go ahead and launch our Pro Tools 12 installer. Oops. Yep. Continue. 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 Agree. Okay, make sure it's going to your preferred drive. And let's go ahead and install it. Enter your admin password. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let that run. I might stop the video here and pick it up again. Okay, the installation was successful, so you can go ahead and close that. It's not prompting you to reboot, but it doesn't hurt. It's a good idea. One thing I forgot to mention is make sure your iLok license manager is up to date, because it may bark at you. You may have some issues when you try to launch Pro Tools. Also, make sure the Avid application manager is up to date, and that will probably most likely also pop up as well to prompt you to do that. So let's go ahead and reboot, and we'll come back to this. Okay, so let's go look in our applications folder. Let's go ahead and close this installer. Okay, so we'll go to our Pro Tools folder. We see it's still 10.3.10, but where is Pro Tools 12? What happens is it installs that on the root of the applications folder, and here it is right here. Let's get information. 12.4, yep. Very cool. And also it automatically creates a alias in the dock for you. So let's go ahead and launch that and see what happens. Version 12.4.0. Okay, so far so good. Let's see. Let's launch one of these templates. What are you in the mood for, kids? Okay, how about a little drum and bass? Don't worry about the I/O for now. Okay, look at that. Great, can dig it. Okay, well, Pro Tools 12 is installed and operational. Let's go ahead and quit that. And just for giggles, let's launch 10. And keep in mind, you have to have a license for 10 and a license for 12 on your iLok. Otherwise, it will not work. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's just launch another simple little session. Let's save that. Hey, okay, here's Pro Tools 10. Not going to record anything or nothing like that, but it launches, so it's fully operational. I've done it on another hard drive. So this is version 10 and 12 together on the same drive. If you like this, please remember to click the like button and subscribe below. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Take care.